You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 40.9k level at this area. In my previous video, I talked about this very level and this is a very strong resistance. And I said you should not take a trade. We are expecting the market to come back right down, and exact same thing here at this very level of support. The same thing on ETH right here on the 4-hour chart. I also say don't take a trade right at this point because this was a resistance I was looking at, and market is already at that resistance, and I was expecting the market to come back right down in form of a retracement. The same thing right here, and also on the Bitcoin dominance, I was talking about the market going back right down to this very level of support, and we see the market push up, and right now we are seeing the market coming back down again. So what are we expecting right now in the market? Are we going to see the market come back to this level of support, and what does this mean to us on the BTCUSDT chart and also on the ETHUSDT chart at the moment? So all of this and more in today's video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTCUSDT 1-day chart at this point, I was talking about this very ranging market for a long time now, and I also take a look at this very level of support. I said the momentum to which the market is moving to the upside is not as strong as what we see right here to the upside, and what we'll see at this very point to the upside as well. So that means that the bulls are not very strong in the market, and the bears are still very much strong, ready to move the market a little bit to the downside in form of retracement before we could see the completion of this move to this very level of resistance. Until we cross this level of resistance, that means until we see a breakout on this level of resistance, we are still in a bear market. No matter the little move in the bulls to the upside, a breakout on this level of resistance will also signify that the bulls are very much strong in the market and they are ready to move the market to the upside. So right now, I am expecting the market to do a little bit of retracement to the downside correction before we could see the market move up again to this very level of resistance. And this level is a very strong level you need to pay attention to at the moment. So this is what I am expecting right now in the long term on the BTCUSDT 1-day chart. Looking at the BTCUSDT 4-hour chart right here, in my previous video, I talked about this very level of resistance right here, resistance here. You see resistance at this point and resistance at this area. And I said you should not take a trade. Reason why: market has been moving from this very area to this very point of resistance, and we must have retracement from this level because this is the level where the market moved back down to in the past. Exact same thing right here, come back right down, and that is what we see right here. Market retrace to the downside to this very level of support. And if you look at this very area, this was resistance here, support here, and support at this very point. So what I'm looking at right now is the market to move a little bit to the upside, but should not cut this very level of resistance, except we see a breakout on this level of resistance. Then that is only when I will say the market will still have capacity to go back to the upside. Now the reason is because if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, we are seeing the market coming back right down, and as the market come back right down, I am expecting BTCUSDT can go up a little bit to the upside, but it will definitely come back to this very level of support again on the immediate short term at the moment. ETHUSDT 1-day chart, I was talking about this level of resistance on this very descending triangular pattern, and we see a breakout market move to this area of resistance. So right now, what I am expecting on this very area of resistance is the market to break out. Once we see a breakout right here, we are going to see the market approach this very level of 3.2 and 3.3k level at this very area. So this is what I am looking out for right now. I'm looking for a breakout on this level of resistance that will push the market back up to this very area. So until we break key structure on this very level, that is this very structure right here and this very structure right here, we are also in a downtrend on ETHUSDT at the moment. So this is what you should be paying attention to on ETHUSDT on the longer term. And on the 4-hour chart right here, we see the market move from this very area to this very level, and right now this is a very strong resistance here. That is resistance here at the moment. I was expecting the market to come back right down. I talked about this in my previous video, and exact same thing, market come back right down to this very area area of resistance here becomes support at the moment, and right now we are seeing the market moving to the upside with this very bullish candle. So what I am expecting on ETH is the market to move up to this very area. So I am expecting the market to move up to this very area and find resistance here and come back right down, except we see a breakout on this level of resistance, and then market will have difficulty of breaking this very level. So a breakout from this resistance will make the market to move back right up, and also if the market fails to break out on this resistance, we are going to see the market come back right down. But technically right now we are going to see the market move up to the upside if we see this candle close bullish and also with an increase in volume at this very area. So this is what I am looking out for on ETH on the short term, and also on BTC. Coming back to the Bitcoin dominance right now, I talk about the market coming back down to this very level of support, and we see the market come back right down and come out of it a little bit, and we see the market retrace to the upside, and right now we are seeing the market coming back to the downside. So if we see the market continue to go to the downside and approach this very level of support, we could see the market on ETH come back right down, and also on Bitcoin as well, we'll see the market come back right down as well. And then if we see the market turn from this very area to the upside, we're going to see a massive pump in BTC to the upside and also on ETH to the upside. What are you looking out for right now on ETH? Do you think the market is going to go up from here to the upside and find resistance here? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.